Did you know the water you drink today is older than the sun? Yes, the same water in your glass was formed before our solar system even existed. Billions of years ago, before the sun was born, tiny ice crystals formed in interstellar space, inside cold molecular clouds made of hydrogen and oxygen. These icy grains are the original source of Earth's water. When our solar system began forming 4.6 billion years ago, those ancient ices were trapped inside asteroids and comets. They later bombarded the early Earth, releasing water that filled our oceans, rivers, and even the air we breathe. So the water inside every ocean, cloud, and living thing, even inside your body, and comes from interstellar space. You're literally drinking the chemistry of the cosmos.